Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's move on to our next question. The question states that a prism of angle A equals to 1 degree has a refractive index equals to 1.5. A good estimate for the minimum angle of deviation in degree is close to n upon 10. The value of n is. So, you take 5 seconds to understand this question well, and then I will move on to the solution. Let's move on to the solution now. We have been given in the question that the angle of prism is 1 degree, and we know the formula that delta is equal to mu minus 1a. Putting the values given in the question to the above formula, we get delta as 1.5 minus 1 multiplied by a, which is equal to 0.5. Now 5 by 10 is equals to n by 10, and the in the question we have been given the angle of deviation is n by 10, so the value of n is equals to 5. Hope you understood this question well. Thank you. See you in the next question.